In this video, I'll show you how to use 888 stars free bet promo code. This is super easy. Subscribe to YouTube channel if you find a video helpful. So if you are looking for a promo code to use, here's what to do. Install the application and come over here, then take registration. You're going to take the third option because it's the only option that is going to allow you to use a promo code effectively. Now once you're here, please change the country to the country of your choice and then fill in your surname, your name and your email address. Once that's done, you're going to put in your phone number here, please. After putting your phone number, you're going to create a password. To create a good password, you're going to follow these 4 criteria or requirements of a good password. Once that's done, then come over to the promo code section that says promo code. Then we use the promo code Renzo TV. You use promo code Renzo TV, you're going to receive 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once that's done, verify that all your information is correct. Click these 3 boxes and then register your account. Complete your email verification that comes next and then complete your first deposit to receive your bonus. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more better videos like this.